If you're watching this, it might be because the universe intended for you to see it. So, don't stop now. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to become wealthy effortlessly, while others constantly struggle? What if there's a hidden approach to money that many are unaware of? This video delves into the mysterious, lesser-known side of finance, the secret energy of money. We often assume that wealth comes from having a good job or being born into affluence. However, there's another critical factor: understanding that money isn't just coins or bills, it's energy. Yes, energy. Think of money as a flowing stream, constantly moving, changing paths, and influencing everything it encounters. You might wonder how this energy operates and how to harness it to attract success and wealth into your life. That's exactly what we're here to explore. Instead of viewing money as a tangible object, imagine it as a living force. This concept isn't new. The idea of money as energy has existed for centuries. Even the term currency originates from a Latin word meaning to flow. Money behaves like energy. It isn't created or destroyed, but transforms from one form to another, moving from person to person and account to account. Beyond its transactional use, money also has an emotional aspect. Think about how you feel when you receive your paycheck or unexpectedly find some cash. The joy or relief you experience reveals the emotional power money holds. But here's the key: your interaction with money's energy significantly influences your ability to attract it. The energy you emit into the world mirrors what you receive. Approaching money with gratitude, respect, and positivity draws it closer. Conversely, associating money with stress or fear can block its flow into your life. This cycle underscores the profound connection between your emotions, thoughts, and financial outcomes. Success isn't just about working harder, it's about reshaping your mindset and perspective on money. Recognize it as a dynamic energy you can attract, guide, and utilize effectively. Imagine money as a garden. Like plants, your financial well-being requires care and nurturing. Plant seeds of positive financial habits, cultivate them with consistency, and watch them grow into lasting prosperity. This shift in thinking transforms everyday financial decisions. Understanding the energy of money means respecting its flow, spending wisely, saving diligently, and investing strategically. Each choice acts like steering a ship, helping you navigate toward financial stability and growth. By aligning your financial habits with the natural flow of money, you unlock opportunities and pave the way for wealth. Knowledge about financial management and investment strategies becomes a crucial tool in this process. Armed with the right information, you're better equipped to make smart decisions that complement a positive attitude, creating a foundation for financial success. The law of attraction highlights a crucial principle: you attract what you focus on. Thinking positively about money invites it into your life. Let's explore this further. The law of attraction isn't about conjuring wealth magically. Instead, it's the synergy of your beliefs, thoughts, and actions. Picture it as a mirror reflecting your inner state. Negative emotions attract challenges, while positivity draws favorable financial circumstances. It's not magic, it's mindset. How you perceive money is pivotal. If you see it as scarce and unattainable, it remains elusive. Viewing it as abundant and flowing freely, however, makes it more accessible. This doesn't mean ignoring financial struggles, but reframing them to uncover new opportunities. If you accept financial hardship as inevitable, your choices will likely reinforce that reality. You might avoid risks or miss opportunities. Conversely, believing in financial success fosters actions that support it, like seizing opportunities or investing in self-growth. The law of attraction works in tandem with action and dedication. Visualizing wealth without effort won't make it materialize, but cultivating a wealth-oriented mindset and acting on it can. It's about sensing thoughts and actions with financial goals, believing in your ability to create wealth, and taking deliberate steps toward it. Start with visualization. Imagine the financial freedom you desire, whether it's being debt-free, owning your dream home, or traveling the world. Visualization tells your subconscious that these goals are achievable. Next, use affirmations, positive statements that counteract doubts about money. Examples include I attract wealth effortlessly or prosperity flows to me abundantly. Affirmations should be personal, powerful, and grounded in the present. Focus on the now and future, not the past. Gratitude is another powerful tool. Appreciating what you already have, no matter how small, shifts your mindset. Instead of dwelling on lack, focus on abundance. Gratitude radiates positive energy that attracts more of what you want. Changing your outlook on money is a gradual process. Visualization, affirmations, and gratitude lay the foundation for transformation. Mindfulness adds another layer. It's about being fully present and intentional in your financial decisions. This awareness aligns daily habits with long-term goals. Setting clear financial goals provides direction and purpose. Whether short-term, like saving for a trip, or long-term, like retirement planning, clear objectives keep you focused. Write them down, create a plan, and track your progress. Watching yourself move closer to your goals is motivating and aligns with the law of attraction. Surrounding yourself with like-minded people also helps. Network with individuals who share your financial ambitions or have already achieved them. Their insights and experiences can inspire and guide you, helping you avoid common pitfalls. Financial education is essential. Read books, attend seminars, and take courses to build knowledge in areas like budgeting, investing, and saving. A solid understanding empowers you to make informed decisions. This complements the law of attraction, preparing you to seize financial opportunities. Resilience is key because financial journeys often include setbacks. Instead of seeing obstacles as failures, view them as learning opportunities. Resilience means bouncing back stronger and wiser, applying lessons learned to your financial future. Balance is equally important. While pursuing wealth, don't neglect other areas of life. True wealth encompasses personal well-being, relationships, and fulfillment. A balanced approach complements the law of attraction, fostering a rich, holistic life. In summary, shifting your mindset can transform your financial reality. Money is energy, and seeing it as a tool for achieving your goals helps attract it. Visualize your success, trust in your ability to create wealth, and appreciate what you already have. Incorporate these principles into your daily life. Understanding the law of attraction is just the beginning. Living it means assessing your thoughts about money. Are they rooted in fear or abundance? Money reflects your inner beliefs and emotions. Changing these perceptions is the first step to financial freedom. Combine this mindset with practical habits like budgeting and investing. Building wealth is an ongoing journey of growth, learning, and adaptation. Stay open to new opportunities and commit to continuous improvement. By adopting this approach, you don't just attract wealth, you sustain and grow it. If this video inspired you, please share it and share your thoughts in the comments below.